Dear students, now we are learning 13 table. 13 1 ja 13. 13 into 1 is equal to 13. 13 2 ja 26. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 13 3 is 39. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. 13 4 is 52. 13 into 4 is equal to 52. 13 5 is 65. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. 13 6 is equal to 78. 13 6 is 78. 13 7. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. 13 7 ja 91. 13 8 ja 104. 13 into 8 is equal to 104. 13 9. 30 into 9 is equal to 117. 13 9 ja 170. 13 into 10 is equal to 130. 13 10 ja 130. Dear students, once you read the 13 table, 13 1 is equal to 13. 13 1 ja 13. 13 multiplied by 1 is equal to 13. 1 times 13 is equal to 13. 13 1 ja 13. 13 2 ja 26. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 13 multiplied by 2 is equal to 26. 26. 2 times 13 is 26. 13 2 ja 26. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. 13 multiplied by 3 is equal to 39. 3 times 13 is equal to 39. 13 into 4 is equal to 52. 13 4 is 52. 4 times 13 is equal to 52. 13 multiplied by 4 is equal to 52. 13 5 is 65. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. 5 times 13 is equal to 65. 13 multiplied by 5 is equal to 65. 13 6 ja 78. 13 times 6 is equal to 78. 13 multiplied by 6 is equal to 78. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. 13 7 ja 91. 13 multiplied by 7 is equal to 91. 7 times 13 is equal to 91. 13 8 ja 104. 13 multiplied by 8 is equal to 104. 8 times 13 is 104. 13 into 9 is equal to 117. 13 9s are 117. 13 into 13 multiplied by 9 is equal to 117. 9 times 13 is 117. 13 into 10 is equal to 110. 13 multiplied by 10 is equal to 110. 10 times 13 is equal to 110. Dear students, once you practice 13 table, 13 into 1 is equal to 13. 13 1 ja 13. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 13 2 ja 26. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. 13 3 ja 39. 13 into 4 is equal to 52. 13 4s are 52. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. 13 5s are 65. 13 into 6 is equal to 78. 13 6s are 78. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. 13 7 ja 91. 13 into 8 is equal to 104. 13 8 ja 104. 13 into 9 is equal to 117. 13 9s are 117. 13 into 10 is equal to 130. 13 10s are 130. 13 1s are 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 58. 13 5s are 65. 13 6s are 78. 13 7s are 91. 13 8s are 104. 13 9s are 117. 13 10s are 110. Dear students, now you tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. What is 13 into 1? Write the answer here. 13 into 1 is equal to 13. So 13 multiplied by 1 is equal to 13. Now tell me the answer. What is 13 into 2? Write the answer here. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. Write the answer here. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 13 multiplied by 2 is equal to 26. 13 2 ja 26. Now tell me the answer. What is 13 into 3? 13 into 3 is equal to 39. Write the answer here. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. 13 multiplied by 3 is equal to 39. 13 3 is 39. Tell me the answer. What is 13 into 4? 13 into 4 is equal to, write the answer, 52. 13 4 is 52. 13 multiplied by 4 is equal to 52. Write the answer. 13 into 5. What is the answer? What is the answer? 13 into 5. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. Write the answer. 65. 13 multiplied by 5 is equal to 65. 13 5 is 65. Now write the answer. What is the 13 into 6? Write the answer here. 13 into 6 is equal to 78. Write the answer. 78. 13 6 is 78. 13 multiplied by 6 is equal to 78. Now write the answer. What is the answer? 13 into 7. 13 into 7 is equal to, write the answer, 91. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. 13 7 is 91. 13 multiplied by 7 is equal to 91. Now write the answer. What is the answer? 13 into 8 is equal to, what is the 13 into 8? 13 into 8 is equal to 104. Write the answer. 104. 13 8 is 104. 13 multiplied by 8 is equal to 104. 13 8 is 104. Now what is the answer? What is the 13 into 9? 13 into 9 is equal to 117. Write the answer here, 117. 13 multiplied by 9 is equal to 117. 13 9 is 117. Write the answer here. What is the 13 into 10? 13 into 10 is equal to 130. 13 10 is 130. 13 multiplied by 10 is equal to 130.